So hi guys, so welcome to Chart Traders channel for educational session. So I have Manju also with me to explain about the best stimulation techniques that the trader can use or learn before starting his trading. Okay, so hi Manju.
Hi, Hemant.
Yeah.
Hi all.
So let's wait for the people to
I think the
join.
message on. Yeah, sure. I
Yeah,
think
okay.
anyway today is holiday, right? They should be able
Yeah.
to join, I guess.
So let's wish all the people a
We'll wait for 2 minutes.
good Friday.
Yeah.
So the king is asking about Sipla. Okay.
King is always a king.
Okay, and
He's
also
worried about Sipla.
Sipla, Maruti, all the thing. Okay. So let me share my screen. So let me share your screen, Manju. So you can start your explanation.
Sure.
So
Okay.
yeah, I'll share your screen now.
King, actually, this session is all about learning something else, not Sipla or Maruti. We'll try to answer your query maybe in the okay. Problem.
Yeah, you can start explaining, Manju. Hello.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Everyone?
yeah.
Please let me know the comment box. Hope I am audible and you are able to see my trading view screen. You able to hear, right, everyone?
Yeah, Manju, we are able to hear you.
Okay. Yeah, we'll start with the session. So, what comes to? I just want to ask one question. What comes to your mind when someone talks about simulation, trading simulation? You able to hear, right, everyone?
Yeah, Manju, we are able to hear you.
Yeah. Do you use any English translate?
So your voice was breaking. So Manju was
Not sure.
asking that whether you have guys have used any simulation tool.
Increase volume. Increased volume. Yes. Volume is 100%.
Let me check.
Am I audible, guys? Hemant?
Yeah, you are audible.
Any issues in the audio?
No, no, no issues. You're audible, Manju. There is no issue. Then go ahead.
Hello?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We'll start then. See, coming to the, uh, I'll
explain first the basic part. Okay, why simulation is needed. See, many of us, right, knowingly or unknowingly, what we do is we directly put the money into the market. As a beginner, right, if you are a beginner or if you are still learning or trying to understand the markets, then simulation trading is one of the best technique to try your trading skills or learn new things. Because when you are doing the actual trading, right, you are putting your real money there. But in the simulation, it is just a dummy amount, okay, where you can try with us different strategies or your different techniques of, or you can understand the markets better. Okay, only problem with doing this simulation trading is your what you say, psychology or emotion control will not come. Okay, that will come to the later part, but we'll first, we as a beginner or as a to try out something different, right, you need to understand how this simulation works. Okay, so in that, right, we have this trading view. Okay, trading view offers a feature called paper trading. Okay, you can just log into this trading view website and you can register. That is a free website. They have their paid thing also, but free website is good enough to test your strategies or to back test your whatever the strategies you're planning, right? You can back test using tradingview.com. Okay, and also you can do like dummy trading also with the dummy amount, whatever the they give, like. Okay, when you create your login ID, right? Like for example, if you go to tradingview.com, there is a site called TradingView, right? When you type that one, you will get like this. Okay, when you go here, okay, this is the home page of TradingView. You can register here. Okay, you'll get options. I mean, since I have logged in, it is showing my name. Okay, you can create your own login ID, and once you log in, right, and click on the charts, when you click on charts, this window will get opened like this. Okay, there you see something in the bottom. There is something called paper trading. Okay, paper trading is nothing but, this is not a real trading, but it will be like more of a real trading, but the amount is dummy. Okay, you are not actually putting the real amount, but you are just using virtual amount. Okay, you can see here I logged in for let me log out 1 minute. I'll show you. Let me log out so that I can show you how you can do that one. See here, when you log in, right, when you create and register yourself in TradingView, right, you'll get something like this. When you click on TradingView, just you'll get so many options, but we are interested in learning simulation trading, right? So we'll go with this option, connect, paper trading, connect. Okay, just use your login ID. Okay, I'm using my Google ID. Okay, so since I have already registered, it is asking me the ID, which I'll enter, and I will log in. Okay. Okay. When I click on connect, it will be automatically, it will get connected. Okay. Okay, you can see here by default you have this 1 lakh capital. Okay, this is a dummy amount. Okay, you can try. If you want to reset with some other amount, you can do that one. Okay, those things you can do here. Like, I mean, go to the settings and you can change that one. Like, there is an option like when you are trading, right? When you do click on this reset trading account, it will just make this balance to. I mean, if you say for example you have done some trades and after that you want to reset, you can do a reset here. And if you want to do any other settings, you can do here. Okay. By default, you'll get this much. Okay, you can modify this also. Okay, but anyway, we are doing dummy trading, right? This much is also enough for testing. Okay. Once you log in, you will get something like this. I'll just drag this one down because we'll see now how to use the simulation technique. See here, you'll see the option of when you see here the price it is showing in one in red and one in blue. This is like you can buy and sell. Blue is for buy and red is for sell. Okay. Let me open any chart because Nifty can't be traded. Right? Only Nifty futures can be traded. I opened Nifty spot. Okay. I'll open any other stock. Okay. Maybe in the watch list. I think I have in the watch list. Reliance. Okay. I opened Reliance now. You can see here when I click Reliance, right? When I click on this blue color, it is showing me on the top buy market. Okay. When I click this one, right, it will show me just like your real Demat account, right? Where you when you click on buy, right, it will open a what? Your order book, like for placing the orders, right? You'll get that small order book, right, where you'll mention quantity, price, and everything. Similarly, you will get something like this here. So, okay, for sell and buy. If you are planning to buy, you can put a buy order. If you are planning to sell, you can put a sell order. And similarly, in your normal Demat, right, you'll see these options, right? Market, limit, stop. These are different types of orders. Market is like when you select market, it will not ask for your price. Whatever is running at the current price, it will just take that price. That's it. That is a market. Limit is like, for example, now Infosys is trading, Reliance is trading near 2021. If I want to plan, if I want to buy somewhere near when it comes near 1975, right? That time what I'll do is I'll put 1975 as my limit price. So that what it will do is when Reliance comes to 1975, it will execute the order. Okay, that is limit. Then stop loss price is like if you want to buy, for example, like I want to buy Reliance only after crossing certain price. Like for example, maybe after crossing this level, it might gain a strength. So what I'll do is I'll place a buy order above 2107 or something like that. You can do like that. Like you would have seen, right, people in channels or somewhere they would have given like buy above this level. Do you know why they tell like that? Many people have this doubt, right? I don't know. Most of the people you would have seen the calls. Now current price is 2021. Okay, someone will tell you buy above 2107. You'll have one doubt in your mind, right? Currently it is less than this one. Why they are telling to buy about 2100? I will buy for this level only. I'll get at a cheaper price only, right? We should understand the logic behind that, because after crossing certain level, right? Certain price level, that is what the price action says. Okay. After crossing certain price levels, the stock will get a momentum or it will get a strength. That is why we say either buy above this level or sell below this level, because those are the areas where you need to look. For example, in this case, right, we need to look to sell below this area, 1975, because this is one of the support area. If it breaks, there is a chance that it can come till 1833 levels. Okay, that is why they say like buy above this level or sell below this level. That is what the price action says. Price action is not like a one direction trading. Okay, it is on the either side. It can happen on the buy side or it can trigger on the sell side also. We should be able to execute on the both sides. Okay. So you can see here, you can place the orders like market order, limit order, whatever this one. Okay. So now if I want to buy Reliance, you can put the quantity here. You can just click on this. You can put whatever the quantity you can see. I can buy 1000 quantity or whatever it is. I can just put a buy order like this. Okay. It will automatically. Now since today is holiday, right, it is getting rejected. Okay. But usually when you place order, it will, your order book will start showing that here. Once it gets executed, right, it will start showing in the bottom side whatever the stock you have purchased, how much quantity, and what is the fill price and all those things. Okay, try it out. Now the other thing is, I hope you got understanding on order, placing the orders, buy and sell. This is for buy and this is for sell. Even if you move your cursor on the right side, right, it will show you a small plus icon here. You can just click on that also, and you can place an order like this: buy Reliance or sell Reliance, like this. Okay. So far good. Any doubts? Let me know. This is all about placing the orders. Now we will come to the trading. I mean, how to test your strategies, whether it will work in real markets or not. Okay, that we'll see. Like you can on the free version, right? On the free version of TradingView, you can check this back testing only on daily charts, whatever, I mean above daily charts, daily, weekly, monthly you can check, not below than daily chart in the free version. Okay, if suppose if I want to test some strategy on 15 minutes, right, I can't do a back testing using like simulation. Okay, that is like a for a free this one, right? For a free version they have some restrictions. Okay, but if you are choosing daily chart, right, you can do a simulation, back testing, everything you can do with this one. Okay, now I'll show you one simple example. Okay, since they provide on daily, weekly, and this one, I am considering daily. Okay, there is something called, you can see here this option. I hope you are able to see this one. Let me mark with this one. 1 minute. Especially those who are new to the market or they want to understand something, right? What is, I mean, if they are eagerly want to learn and start their career in markets and all these things, right? Don't directly jump. Try to use this kind of tools and try your first understand markets. Okay. See here, you have this bar replay. You can see this replay. Have you guys used this one? I mean, many people they would have used, but for beginners, right, or even, I mean, intermediate level people also, when they are not able to make any, sometimes they might also go wrong, right? To understand that one, they can use this technique for backtesting. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see this one. When I click this one, right, it will show me this. You see this? There is a candle, I mean, this is a jump to, okay, this is play speed, and this is forward, and this is your speed. Okay, at what speed the candle must run. You can see every second it will be showing it. Update every 2 seconds, update every 3 seconds, like that it will be there. Like as I move this one, right, it will show me like. So how to use this one? Now, for example, right, before using this one, right, what I'll do is I'll jump to some date. Okay. We'll go to, maybe I'll just go like this. Okay, I'll go very far, little backward data. Okay, we'll see. Okay, now I came to 8th February 2019. Okay, Jan, February. We'll consider from Jan, 1st Jan, where it is. From Jan. Yeah, from here. Okay, you can see this red color bar. When you select, automatically this right, it will show you one red color vertical bar. Okay, I'll just select this one. Okay, now I selected 1st Jan. Once I select, right, what will happen is, see here what happened. Now I am able to see the chart data till, what is the last date? You can see there, 31st December 2018, because I selected my vertical line as Jan 1st 2019. Okay, now what this is, how this will help me. So how I can test my strategies or this one, whether the real support and resistance, whether it will work in real market or not. I want to know, right? So what I did is, imagine I'm currently, my chart is at this level. Okay. Now I'm near 2018, 31st December 2018 level data. I'm very like 2 years old data. I'm at that position now. Okay. Now I want to see whether whatever this support, resistance or strategies, whatever I am following, right, whether it will work in real time markets or not. How can I back test that one? Okay, by doing this, right, you'll know whether those whatever the strategies you are following, right, whether that will work in real time markets or not. Okay, for example, now, right, what I will do is, I have this much data, right, what I'll do is, I'll just try to mark support, basic support level and resistance level. Okay, now if I take, this is one high, right, so this will act as one of the resistance. Okay, and this is one more resistance. Let me mark with little dark so that it will be easy to, okay, or black. Okay, we will make like this. Okay, this is one resistance, this is one. I'll just combining, I'll mark like one more here. Okay, this is one of the support area, I'll mark like this. Okay, these are all intermediate support, we'll not worry about that, we'll mark only main support. This is one main support area. Okay, this is one support area, because this resistance here, it acted as a support. Okay, roughly we will mark. Okay, this is intermediate level, I can mark like this also. This one intermediate, if you want, we'll mark that also, we'll see. Okay, I just marked basic levels. Okay, and this is one of the support area, I will mark this one also, something like this. Okay, now we'll see how these levels are actually helping us. Okay, now let me zoom it. Okay. You can see here, data wise, date wise, this is 31st December. Okay, now I'll start. Okay, you can see here, when you click on play, right, you can see the candle forming. When I click here, right, you can see the candle will start forming. You see here, candle started forming. See here, this was a resistance level. See here, I want to stop here. See here, you can see here what happened here. See, it came down, this was one of the support level. In the support level, what it did, it formed a doji kind of candle. Okay, and after that there is a rejection. As per this one, this is one of the support area, it should take a bounce from here. We'll see what will happen now. Okay, okay, this is how you can test your strategies, or whether you are real. See here how exactly it, 1 minute, I'll stop. Yeah, see, from this one I started, right, this was the last, like December, 31st December was the last. From 1st Jan it came down, this was our support area. Okay, it bounced again, it came to the same support area, but it did not break my previous low. Okay, and after that, see the bounce it has given. So do you see how this previous one of your support area is valid for testing you? I mean, for it is still, the price is still valid and it is still acting as a support, and it is trying to go upside. Let me play and we'll see, like going forward, what it does. Okay, you can see now it formed a red candle. See, it gave a breakout, and see, if you enter at this support level, what is your first target would have been hit almost 100, close to 100 points. Okay, after that it gave a breakout and it went upside. Let's see how each of these levels will act. Okay, you can see how at each point the candles are forming and how they are reacting to those levels. Okay, I'll start. Okay, now it formed. Okay, I'll just see here, it is making new high. Okay, see this candle. Let me pause. This candle What it did? Let me delete. See this candle. What it did? This one. This one is a kind of doji. Okay, and it exactly made near the resistance level. Okay, so that point we got a confirmation that market is going to reverse from there. So that is what it did. From this level it came down. Okay, now we'll see how our levels are acting now. See, now when it came near support, it took a support area and it bounced, and see how it is going upside. See this? This was our lifetime high, right? This was our lifetime high. This one, this area, and how it reacted here. I hope you are getting the difference. How you can test you. I'm just showing you live. I mean, in front of you guys only. I'm showing how how I marked support, resistance, and how it is acting here. See here, this was your previous resistance, same level it reacted and started coming down, and it is now taking the support. Let's see now what it is going to do. Okay, we'll see. See, it broken this one and started coming down. Still playing near support and started. See how slowly it is coming down. If you understand these levels, right, catching this exact support or resistance level, then trading becomes dead easy for you guys. Only thing is we need to know how to execute near these levels and what to watch. See, it came down, and after that now again reaching the resistance level. Now it gave a breakout. See, now it is making a lifetime high, new high. Okay, let's see. Okay, now see how this left now. Okay, now we'll see like how it is going to see how previous support level is acting as a resistance. Just a minute, guys. See how the same level is acting as a support and going upside. If you want, I can increase little speed so that okay, you can see that. 1 second, we'll put 1 second. Yeah. See how the same level. See here. Now I'll pause here. See, after breaking this one, right? Okay, now it has made a new high. So what I will do is I'll mark this as one of the resistance area because it has formed a new high, and after that it is falling. The previous levels will be still the same. I don't want to change this one because these are almost the respected levels. So I'll keep like it only. We'll see now. Proceed further. What will happen? See. See at each level how it is helping you. See when it went, see when it formed this base and went upside, right, this will become one of our support area. Okay, so I can mark like this, and next time when it came nearby that support only, it took a support and started going upside. Okay, now if you see, this is one resistance, I can still, this one I can consider as one of the resistance areas, small resistance area. So let me play now again. Okay, see exactly near support how it is playing. If you understand these logics, right, it will become very easy to predict the direction. See how it is playing near the support only. See, it is not able to break the support. and it is still playing. See, once it broke, now it came down. See, this is I think 2009. Okay, when still before Corona only. Okay, see here. Let me stop. See how exactly it took a support this level, and it gave a big move from here. See, our job is to first identify these levels, then you should take action at this level. Price action is all about this one only. This is how you are going to test your strategies or test your support and resistance or whatever the strategies you are planning, I mean following, right? I'll show other this one also. Okay. See how it is going upside. Okay, let me increase the speeds a little bit. See, just to see at each level. See this level now. See this. This was one of the support level and how it bounced. See this was. See, this was your last time 52-week high. It gave a small retracement on the downside and finally gave a breakout. Okay, now it has formed a new high. Let's see. Okay, so since this has formed a new high, this will become one of the resistance area. This area, oh, this one downside. Okay, it has given breakout. Again, it has made a new high. Okay. See, this is one more resistance area again. See how it is reacting. Always remember one tip, like whenever the stock is touching the previous resistance for the first time, right, that will act as a strong resistance. But if the same level is getting hit multiple times, whether it can be on the support or on the resistance, that will become more weak. Just remember this. Okay. See how it is. We have drawn two lines, how it is just playing in these two levels. See here. You can see here at whatever the levels it is bouncing, right, that will be either one of the support or one of the resistance area. See, this is during Corona time, I guess. It came down. Okay. See, let me stop. See, during Corona time, what was the level it bounced? 860. That was one of the previous support area. See here, this was one of the previous support area, and from there only it bounced. Got it? So this is how you can backtest your strategies. Okay, I hope you got some understanding on how backtesting works. Okay, you can see here all same levels. I did not change anything. I'm just adding. If it is making new high, I'm just adding that level. That's it. See how beautiful it is working. Same levels. See. Okay, got it. Now we'll see. We stop now. Let me close it. Okay, we'll see any other this one. Okay, now what I'll do is you can add any indicators. Okay, let me suppose if you want to try with some indicators. Okay, maybe MACD or RSI. Let me put RSI. Okay, let me basically price action. As a price action trader, we should not use any indicators, but for understanding purpose, I'm just taking how you can use this also for your backtesting. Okay, let me change. I mean, few people follow that 70-30 or 80-20, it's 50-60, right? What you can do that one also here. I will do like 20. This is 80. Okay. So whenever RSI comes near 20 levels, I look for buy. Whenever RSI comes near what is this 80 level, I look for sell. Okay, that is my technique. I mean, many people follow that. That's not my technique. I mean, those who are using RSI indicator, right? They usually follow this numbers like 20 to 80 or 30 to 70 or 60 40 like that. Okay, I'm just showing how to use that one. Look, like for example, now let me see. I'll just replay, and I will mark somewhere here. Okay, we'll see like this. Okay. Okay. Now, see, whenever it comes near 23, it went upside, or 20, right? It went upside. So what I'll do is, at this point, okay, whenever it comes 20, I'll look for a buy. We'll see when it came to 20 or when it came to 80, whether it is looking coming down or going upside. Okay, I'll just run in little slow mode. Okay, we'll see only at this 20 and 80 levels, not other levels. Okay, we'll see. I'll just pause when it is nearby those 80 or 60. Okay, so that because as per history, that is what it is telling, right? Here, if you see here, as per history, it is doing like that. Whenever it is coming near 80, it is falling, and whenever it is near 20, it is bouncing. Okay. $80.20 should be more, I guess. That's very. It did not go often to 80 levels, only once here. It went only until 75, 70. I mean, less than 80 only. It went 76 like that. Let's see if it went somewhere 80 here. We'll see. 74. Again, it came down. Let me see if it has gone somewhere 80 and 20. You can also test using moving averages also, like whenever the moving averages, right? Yes, if the stock comes near that moving average, how it is reacting, you can check with the backtested data also. Okay, yeah, I think we should have taken 70 maybe. For Reliance, we should have taken 70, because for whenever it is going 70, it is like taking reversal, not exactly going to 80. Okay, so let me little fast forward into this one. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. See here, when it came this level, it is 25 or somewhere near 20 only. So from there, it took a bounce, and after that again coming down. So as per history, whenever it is coming near 20, it is giving a bounce. So this is how you are going to test your strategy. See here also. This is a perfect place. 1 minute. See here at this point. See, at this point it was how much? RSI was 16. Okay, RSI was 16, but still next candle it came down only. Okay, see here, this candle, this one, at this point the RSI was 18. Okay, we should remember, until, I mean, when you are planning to buy, right, few people they buy based on this RSI technique. Okay, whenever you are planning to buy based on RSI technique, right, when it is coming downside towards a downside and taking the curve reversal, right, when it crosses at least 25 or 30, right, 30 range, that time you can look for buy. Don't immediately buy when it comes to less than 15, 10 like that. Okay, because this RSI, it depends on a parameter, that is number of length, whatever you are taking. Like suppose if you have taken 14 days period, it will just take 14 days, last 14 days. If you change this one, it will automatically, this will change. So that is why don't go with the concept of overbought and oversold. That is why I always say avoid using indicators. Okay. So this is one of the way you can test your strategies. Well, other thing will be like, for example, let me add this one. 1 minute. Let me go to the normal mode.
So
You can do like this also, or let me remove this RSI. Let me add any moving average. Okay.
so hi Manju, able to hear me?
Moving average.
Hello.
Yeah.
Before going on the next
Yeah,
indicator, right? So let me announce our training program. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So note down, guys. We are going to start a new batch on 11th April. So it's completely about the price action. So if you guys are interested to learn technical and the same way we are analyzing, right, how the market is going to open, how it's going to react, whether the trend, identify the trend, so all those things, and the concept called as price actions. So we're going to teach you guys. If you guys are really interested to learn technical, you can contact me. My telegram ID is hemant369, and also I mentioned my contact number. So this is the topic which you are going to cover. Okay, so about the zones, the tools, how to read the volume, OI data, the market trend, and also from the basic, so how to read the candle and how to mark the zone, different type of candle chart patterns, all those things we are going to teach. And those session is for 4 session only on weekends. Okay, so that the training will be for 1 month and 1 month support. So if you guys are really interested, can contact me. So let's go back to Manju. He will continue the session. You go ahead, Manju. You can start.
Yeah. So one other thing we'll just complete with this. Okay, moving average, and because it's already 40 minutes. Okay. See, I just added 200 days moving average. Okay, and many people have this moving average confusion. Which one to use? Simple, exponential, or which one? Don't worry too much on these things. Okay, you can use any one. Almost all moving averages are same. Only slightly difference will be there. Okay, but you should know how to use them. Okay, for example, here in this case, right? So I have added a moving average of 200. This one, whenever the stock closed above 200 is moving average, right? It has given a positive move side. Positive move. You can see here. This will give a positive move here. Okay, but not a very big. Okay. But here when it gave a good move, right, this was a very good move. So you can see here this one. Okay, from here also it gave a big move. Whenever I'm just talking about Reliance. Okay, you see whenever Reliance is coming near 200 days moving average, it is taking that support and it is trying to move upside. So this is one of your, it will become one of your criteria for entering whenever you are planning to buy Reliance, right? Just have this criteria also. Whenever it comes near 200 days moving average, it has most of the times it has taken a support and it has given a upside movement. So you can check like this, like put an indicator and same thing, just add this bar replay, okay, like this, and check what it is doing when it comes near those indicator, right? I mean that the price level, what it is doing, whether it is taking support and going upside or coming downside. So this, by doing this way, right, you are actually improving your trading skill. Okay, instead of putting your real money into trading, right, this will be an issue. Okay, if you are putting directly your real money into the Demat account, and if it goes against your direction, right, unnecessary you are losing your money. Instead of that, you can try this one. Okay, only thing is, I initially told, right, the emotional thing there. I mean, when you are practicing this paper trading, right? You should first decide yourself that you are doing this seriously. Okay, many people what they do is initial days when they start paper trading, they'll be a little serious only. But once, I mean, anyway, here real amount is not involved, right? What they'll do is once, even if they have entered somewhere here, even if the stock is coming, they'll not exit because they think that it is a dummy account, right? Dummy trade or simulation trade. And once you start doing that, right, you are actually not following any discipline there. Okay, so if you are really planning to do trading in paper trading or this virtual trading, be serious. Okay, don't take lightly and do that. Okay, once you practice only, then you can try that. In the same thing will apply on the real demat accounts, and there you can make good money instead of losing like that. Many people, they don't want to even spend some time on this one. They'll think anyway I'm not making any money here, so why to unnecessary waste time. Believe me guys, by doing these things only, you will get more and more confidence in your trading style. Okay, just try these things and see how it will impact your decisions, trading decisions. Okay, now one more thing, if you want to do a same back testing on a smaller time frame, what you can do is just to select this one. Okay, just to go to your different, let me go to 15 minutes. Okay, I'll go to 15-minute chart. Okay, what I'll do is the date when I want to start backtesting, right? I'll go to that part. Maybe I'll go to starting of the March. Let me go to the starting of the March month. Okay, you can see here 31st. When is the March? 1st March. Yeah, from here. Because in free version, right, they don't give backtesting on a smaller time frame. Okay, what I'll do is from first, right, yeah, here I'll just put a vertical line. Okay, this is my starting point, like this. Okay, this is my starting point. What I'll do is I'll mark my support and resistance before those levels, like this. This is my one of the resistance area. This is one resistance area. This is my support area. Okay, like this. Let me go a little left side also, so that this is one of my support area. Okay, this is one of the intermediate level. Okay, I have drawn few levels, not all the levels. I have drawn for testing purpose. I am just drawing this. Okay, now we'll see how these levels are acting. Okay, since it is a smaller time frame, right, we need to look for a smaller targets. So now how to test this one, whether these levels are working or not. Now I have put a vertical line here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now what you can do is when you click this one, right, it will go directly to the recent bar. Instead of that one, right, what you can do is just press a control and right side arrow key will be there, right? You can do like that. 1 minute. What it is trying to do? Yeah, not control is not required. Anyway, just a right key, a right arrow key. When you just press one by one, right? Because there is no other way. We have to do manually only. That's what I am trying to explain you. Just try with a pressing right arrow key. Will just keep on moving, and you will come to know whether your levels are working or not. You can see here how your level is acting as a resistance, and let me expand this so that you'll come to know how these levels are working. See here, this is only when you are doing on a smaller time frame. Okay, if you're doing on higher time frame, we have this facility bar replay, but on a lower time frame, we don't have this facility on the free version. So that's why I'm showing you like using your arrow key, you can do testing like this, whether those levels, whatever your marked is, working or not. See here how these are working. See here, same level how it is acting as a support. See, once you see a new resistances, you have to just mark like this. Okay, these are all new resistances. So I'm just checking how. Okay. See, same support level again. It acted and went up. See how nicely it went up. Again, now it came to the resistance area, and again it reacted to the resistance and coming downside. See, this is how you can do a back testing of your strategies. Okay. Any queries or anything, you can drop in the comment section. We'll try to cover those things. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hemant.
Yeah, Manju. So
I think
you.
I think we can.
Yeah,
I'm
there.
So
let me share my screen. Okay, let me unmute.
Okay.
So thank you, guys. So you can follow us on our Telegram channel, Chart Traders 369, and also on the Twitter. And also please comment, like if this video is very helpful for you, for beginners. So and also share with your friends. So thanks, Manju, for explaining your and sharing your knowledge, and
thank you. Thank you.
spending a time with us. Thanks, guys. See you on the next video for tomorrow.